Imagine being a billionaire, but still flying economy class, driving an old Volvo, and eating at the company cafeteria. Sounds unbelievable? This was the real life of Ingvar Kamprad, the man who built IKEA. Ingvar was born in a small Swedish village in 1926. As a boy, he sold matches, pencils, even Christmas cards, anything he could carry on his bicycle. He wasn't just earning pocket money, he was learning how business works. At 17, Ingvar founded a small mail-order company. He named it IKEA, combining his initials and the names of his farm and hometown. At first he sold simple items like pens and wallets. But then came the breakthrough. Furniture. Affordable, stylish, and shipped in flat boxes. Customers didn't just buy furniture, they bought an idea. Good design should be for everyone. The idea of flat-pack furniture was revolutionary. Instead of shipping huge, bulky sofas and tables, IKEA gave customers furniture they could assemble themselves. It cut costs, made shipping easier, and turned IKEA into a global empire. By the 2000s, IKEA stores were everywhere, from Europe to Asia to America. But here's the twist. Despite being one of the richest men in the world, Kamprad refused to live like a billionaire. He drove the same old Volvo for decades. He flew economy class. He furnished his home entirely with IKEA products. Even at restaurants, he often chose the cheapest meal on the menu. His belief was simple: wasting money was the real failure. Ingvar Kamprad wasn't just selling furniture. He was selling a philosophy. That good design should be accessible, and that success doesn't have to mean extravagance. From a boy selling matches on his bicycle, to building one of the world's most beloved brands, Kamprad proved that true wealth is not how much you spend, but how much impact you make. So next time you walk into IKEA, remember, behind every flat-pack box lies the story of a man who built an empire, while living a life simpler than yours or mine.